The layoff that I was actually grateful for. And it was just a simple thing. Our company was downsizing and I wasn't needed anymore. But instead of returning to work or returning to the grind, the welding, all the toxic air, everything else, the long hours, a lot of the time I was away from home. I couldn't take it anymore. I wanted that kind of living where you see other people have time at home and you wonder, how are they in town when it's a work day? I wanted to be one of those guys. So here's what I found. I found a community where we share a lot of different things, different programs. You don't have to build them, you just have to resell them. Some of them are even free, and I give them away in my community just for the fun of it. If you wanted that, click in freebie in the comments. Make sure you share, like, and follow, because you're going to want to find out more as I dig deeper into this and explain more about why I didn't go back to work, why I decided to work online, and how it's helped my family and myself, and how I'm helping lots of others do the exact same thing by showing you a blueprint that you follow step by step, and that's how you create independent wealth. Get to go camping, enjoy life, enjoy your kids. So hold on tight as we get into this even deeper. And as we get deeper, we get closer and closer to all of this. We get closer to financial retirement, financial freedom, enjoying camping with our grandkids when we want to instead of when we can. The nice part about being able to do whatever it is that I'd like to do or want to do is the ability that I don't have to watch my bank account. I just do it and have fun. Now, mind you, if I'm going to go for a big ticket thing, I'm going to watch my account. But everybody's heard that old saying, if you mind the pennies, the dollars take care of themselves. That's where I started to make a change. If you're tired of the grind, the long hours, of being away from home, wishing you were at home so you could actually do some stuff with your kids and your grandkids, or maybe just relax. Never mind those 10, 12, 14-hour days. For a few years, I did long-haul trucking, and I was gone for 2 to 3 weeks at a time. And it killed me, because when I got home, my kids looked different. They were taller, bigger, stronger. And that was only after a few weeks. Many of them lost their families because they were gone all the time trying to chase that dollar. Now I don't chase that dollar. I just do a couple hours online and it comes to me. I mean, don't get me wrong. Some days I do 3-4 hours, go all out, but nothing like I used to. And I'm going to break down some of this even more. The hours that I don't have to do are the benefit. Those are the ones that I get to watch my kids, my grandkids, and sometimes my dogs. They're running around here doing their thing. Earning an income online has changed my life, and I will never be the same. Join my community, PPP. The links are all down below, where you can actually learn to do the exact same thing yourself. Set yourself free and enjoy life. Enjoy your freedom. Till then, hear me now, believe me later. I'm rooting for you. And don't forget to ask about my treasure chest. There's lots of goodies in there for you too.